morning, students. Today we will start our new topic, that is the chapter 9 for class 6 from NCERT, the living organisms, characteristics and habitat. Beta, what is organism? What is organism? Organisms are living beings. Organism, that is the made up of organ. First of all, beta, cell. Cell combine together to give tissues. These tissues combine together to give organ. Organ like heart, kidney, brain, etc. These organs combine together to give organ system like digestive system, circulatory system, that is the organ system. These organ system collective together organism. This organism, that is the living beings. Beta, nature or surrounding or our environment consist of two type of things. First type of thing is living organism. First type of thing is living organism. Other one, non-living. Non-living are things, not organism. Organism is used only and only for living beings. How will you identify these are living, these are non-living? Beta, you are sitting at your home. You will see number of things. Out of these, some are living, some are non-living. You will see living. Beta, your mother, father, brother, sister, or your family members, all are living. If you have pets like dog at your home, it is living. You have some plants in your garden. You have some plants in your garden. All plants will grow. That means they are living. The living organism that you will be identified that they will grow. The thing which will grow regularly up to a limited age or which can grow. These are living organisms. But some things present in your surrounding, that is table, chair, your pen, your copy, your bed, all these are not grow with time. They are stable. They remain as it is. That means they are non-living. Non-living can't be grow. Clear? You will identify in your surrounding which is grow. That is grow which increase the height. That is living organism. But they do not increase. They remain as it is. You place at one place and if it is not disturbed, it remain there for longer time. That means they are non-living. How will you differentiate living organism from non-living organism? Living organism from non-living things. Beta, living organism, first point, they will grow, can't grow. Living organism can eat. Living organism will eat. Do not eat. A table, chair needs something? No. But the organism, your family member, your pets, all need something to eat to fulfill the conditions of hungriness. Yes. Beta, living organism can breathe or respire, but non-living does not. Living organism can breathe or respire, but they do not. Further, beta, living organism having some senses, 5 senses with us, but they don't have. Beta, suppose anyone wants to hit you, you will move back because you are living, you have sense. But when you beat on the wall, it will move back. Answer is no, it is remain stable because it do not have sense. Clear? These are living. Our environment, all living organisms are known as biotic component. All living organisms are known as biotic component of environment. Our environment is divided into 2 components, biotic component and abiotic component. Biotic component are living organism and another one is the abiotic component. Abiotic component that consists of non-living things. This abiotic component also consists of water, air, our home, shelter, surrounding, all these. But living beings consist of all living organism in the biotic components, either plants, animals or human beings. Beta, in biotic component, virus, bacteria, all are living, fungi, alga, animals, plants and human beings. All are the biotic components. But air, water, soil, land, all are abiotic component of environment. Environment consists of 2 components, biotic component as well as abiotic component. Biotic component means living beings. Biotic component means living beings. And abiotic component means non-living things like air, water, soil, land, etc. Beta, this is general introduction about the living organism. Now, another terminology we will use characteristics. Another terminology that we will use characteristics. Characteristics of living organism. In our syllabus only living organism. So, what are the characteristics? What is the meaning of characteristics? Meaning of characteristic is that characters or features of living organism. Each and every living organism consists of characters according to their surrounding. Beta, each and every organism is represented by their characters, by their features. These features are due to their environmental condition. Beta, you will identify these human beings are Indian, these are Nepalis, these are Chinese, these are American by their features. 99% human beings in India have black or brown eyes, but in America blue eyes or brown eyes. It is one of the feature is the character. These features are arise due to their environmental behavior. Beta, we can't survive in the desert, but human being living in the desert can survive because they acquire some characters for the survival in desert. We can't. If we go in the desert area for some time, beta, we will disturbed by the desert condition and we will come back in our plain areas. Same with those persons. Characteristics means features of organism. Features of organism. By the features or characters of the organism, we will identify they belong to which area. And now our third terminology is the habitat. What is habitat? Beta, habitat is the place where the organism live. Habitat is the place where the organism live. We are living on the land. Beta, our habitat is not our home. Our habitat is the land, because we are living on the land. Some organisms live in the water. Some organisms live in the air. According to their living place, organisms are be classified, and the living place of those organisms are known as habitat. Habitat means living place of organism. Those organisms which live on land, these are known as terrestrial animals. That are known as terrestrial animals. And those are living in water. These are aquatic animals. These are aquatic animals. That are living in air. These are known as aerial animals. These are usually virus, fungi and bacteria. Clear? Beta, this is all about the habitat. Depending upon the habitat condition, organism acquired some character. On the basis of these characters, we will identify which type the organism it is. Thank you.